What's the meaning of cataclysmic? Cataclysmic. Cataclysmic.
Cataclysmic. Cataclysmic. The term cataclysmic refers to a catastrophic and disastrous event or situation. It suggests a sudden and violent upheaval that can cause immense destruction and chaos. The results of a cataclysmic event can be far-reaching, affecting large areas and populations. Examples of cataclysmic events include earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, tsunamis, hurricanes, and other natural disasters. In addition, the term can also be used metaphorically to describe events that are socially or politically significant, such as economic recessions, wars, or revolutions, which have a profound and lasting impact on society.